ERD repairs vibration amplifiers like this one, made by VICAB, as well as all other industrial electronics. We also offer a same-day quote on all of our repairs. The VICAB VM42 is a dual-channel vibration amplifier. Each channel has both an analog output for recording the vibration from a machine and a filtered 4 to 20 milliamp output to drive a fault circuit. Here you see the VICAB vibration amplifier being tested to ensure proper operation after the repair. At ERD, we can repair your industrial electronic equipment, preventing a costly replacement and extended downtime. Thanks for watching ERD TV. We repair a wide variety of industrial electronic equipment that is backed by our 3-year warranty. If you have any questions, please contact us by phone or visit us on the web at www.industrialrepairstore.com.